Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to log in with Netflix on phone. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So for that you have to just simply open up your Play Store application and simply search for Netflix and open up the Netflix and click on install. So if you have already installed the Netflix, you guys can also update the Netflix application. So make sure that you have updated. So after updating the application, you have to just simply click on open to open up the Netflix. So after opening up, it will open up like this. The interface will be like that. So you have to just simply log in via Google, or you guys can just simply click on, if you have newer person and you are new to Netflix, so then you guys can just simply hit on the get started. So, or if you have old person, if you already have account, you guys can just simply hit on the login button. So after clicking on login on the top right, you have to just simply add your credentials. So in the first section, you have to just simply add your email or phone number. So you have to just simply add your email or phone number which you have already registered on Netflix. Then you have to just simply add a password. So after just successfully adding the email and password, you have to just simply hit on the sign in, and you guys can use that Netflix application. And the second method is, you guys if you have already Netflix application and your Netflix account, then you guys can also use sign in code option. So the sign in code option, if you have enabled through Netflix, then you guys can use this by just heading to this option by just clicking on that, and it will send the OTP to your phone number. You have to just simply provide your phone number here or email here, and after that you have to just simply click on send code, and it will send the OTP code to your, or confirmation code to your email or your phone number. So all you have to just simply confirm that, and you will be connected to your previously logged in Netflix account. So if you have newer variant and you newer person and you want to create the update Netflix account, so for that you have to just simply go back and click on get started. So after that it will ask you for your email on which you want to create Netflix account. So after that you have to just simply click on the get started, and your Netflix account will be created in that way. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.